Good day, guys, and welcome. Today we have this question from JAM 1989, question 26, where we are asked to express 1 divided by x plus 1 minus 1 divided by x minus 2. Quickly, we dive into this by writing solution. We write solution. All right, next we copy out our expression. We have 1 divided by x plus 1. Then we'll have minus 1 divided by x minus 2. Now, quickly using our knowledge of LCM, we make bracket open x plus 1 bracket close bracket open x minus 2 bracket close as our LCM. So we'll have this as equal to, draw a line, place LCM bracket open x plus 1 bracket close bracket open x minus 2 bracket close. Now ILCM x plus 1 bracket close bracket open x minus 2 bracket close divided by x plus 1. This gives us x minus 2. Now x minus 2 times 1, we're left with bracket open x minus 2 bracket close. We introduce our minus sign. Now our denominator, our LCM again rather, bracket open x plus 1 bracket close bracket open x minus 2 bracket close divided by x minus 2. This leaves us with x plus 1. Now bracket open x plus 1 bracket close times 1 gives us bracket open x plus 1 bracket close. All right, continue our solving by removing the bracket at our numerator. So draw a line first. We'll copy out our denominator. So our bracket open x plus 1 bracket close bracket open x minus 2 bracket close. Now at our numerator, we'll remove our bracket. So we have x minus 2 minus times x gives us minus x, minus times plus 1 gives us minus 1. So this ends up giving us equal to x minus x. We'll have x cancelling out. Then we'll have minus 2 minus 1. We have minus 3 at our numerator divided by bracket open x plus 1 bracket close bracket open x minus 2 bracket close as our final answer. Thank you.